Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the fifth exercise of chapter 10. This is the retail item class exercise. This exercise says that write a class named retail item that holds data about an item in a retail store. The class should store the following data in attributes: item description, units in inventory, and price. Mean that the class will have three attributes. Once you have written the class, write a program that creates three retail item objects and store the following data in them. Mean that at the end in the program we will create three objects of retail item class and will store this given data in the attributes of those objects. Let's write the program. So create a class retail items and first of all define a constructor to initialize description, units in inventory, and price. This constructor will take the description of the item, the number of units in inventory, and the price as an argument. So type description, units in inventory, and the price. And in this constructor create a private attribute for description. So self dot underscore description. This double underscore before the name of the attribute indicate that this attribute is private and cannot be accessed outside of the class. Set this equal description. Similarly, create private attribute for units in inventory. And set this equal the argument provided to the constructor, units in inventory. Similarly, create private attribute price and set this equal price. This is the constructor. After the constructor method, define the getter methods for these attributes. So first of all, define the getter method for the description. Def get description, and in this method return the value stored in the description attribute. Self dot description. Now define the getter method for the units in inventory. And this method returns the value stored in the private attribute units in inventory. Define one more getter method for the price, get price. And this will return the value stored in the price attribute. Return self dot price. These are the getter methods. After the getter methods, write the main program. Define main function, and in main function create 3 instances of the retail item class with the given data. As each object represents a different item with its description, number of units and price. So first of all, create 3 objects of the retail item class. Create item 1 and set this equal retail item with the name jacket, units in inventory 12, and price $59.95. Similarly, create item 2 and set this equal retail price, retail item with the name designer jeans, with the number of items in inventory 40 and price $34.95. $34.95. Similarly, create the item 3, which is the object 3 of class retail item, and set this equal retail item with the name shirt, units in inventory 20, and price is $24.95. This data for 3 items is given in the exercise. After creating these 3 objects, display the information for each item using the getter methods. So now I will write the code to display the data of each item. So first of all, print item 1 information, and print description of item 1 is item 1 dot get description, print units in inventory, units in inventory of item 1 is item 1, get units in inventory. Similarly, print price of item 1 is item 1 dot get price. After this, display the data of item 2. So print item 2 information, and here print change the description of item 2 is item 2 dot get description, units in inventory of item 2 is item 2 dot get units in inventory, and price of item 2 is item 2 dot get price. Similarly, print item 3 information, and here type description of item 3 is item 3 dot get description, units in inventory of item 3 are item 3 dot get units in inventory, and price of item 3 is item 3 dot get price. This will display the information about item 1, item 2 and item 3. Let's run the program. Nothing displayed as I forget to call the main function. At the end, call the main function, and now run the program. There is an error. Name retail item 1 is not defined. Here is typing mistake. Now run the program, and you can see it displayed item 1 information, description jacket, units in inventory 12, price $59.95, item 2 information, description designer jeans, unit inventory 40, price $34.95, item 3 information, description shirt, units in inventory 20, price 24.95. Here one line is extra in the information of item 2 and item 3. You can see this is the line displaying. Now run the program, and it will display the correct result.